In today's video, let's talk about how to fix the PayPal login code not received. If you're having issues receiving the code, whether on your email address or on your phone number, and then the first thing that you can do is try to resend the code. In this situation, you'll be able to see the option which says send new code. If you're currently entering in the code similar to this and you're not being able to log in or not receive the code at all, then you can simply tap on the send new code so that a new code is generated. Now, if this is not the case for you and you're still not being able to receive the code, then what you can try out is try to clear out the app cache of PayPal. So just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside, tap on storage and then tap on the clear cache option. What you can also try out is try to restart your phone if you're trying to receive the code via your SMS. This ensures that any glitches that your phone might be having will be now fixed. None of these solutions work out for you, you can try using a different device or a different web browser. So for example, if you're currently using your mobile app, you can try switching to a web browser from your mobile as well as from your desktop. Now, if none of these solutions work out for you, there is a server issue. In this situation, you'll need to wait out at least 30 minutes before you try to log in again or before you try to receive the code. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next video.